Hi there and welcome to Mompreneur TV. I'm Erica Lerman and this is your place to be if you're a mom entrepreneur looking to start, grow, or scale your business. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make a custom ConvertKit footer. So this is going to be modifying the unsubscribe button, your address block, and adding any other text or social media icons that you want to add to the bottom of the footer of your emails. So sit back and let's dive right in. So we're going to start today's tutorial in your ConvertKit account, and right here we're in the account info page, which is accessible by the account button at the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to email templates, and here you're going to choose the email template that's your preference. So I tend to use the classic version, so I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to highlight and copy all of the text within the gray box. So what we're doing is we're basically creating a replication of an existing template. So go ahead and go back to all templates once you've copied that and click new email template. Fill in your template name. And then you're going to go ahead and paste the code that we copied previously into the box. Okay, so what you can do now that you've pasted the code in, you can click on the preview layout and it should look exactly like the template that you were previously using. And what I highlighted there is the area that we're going to be modifying. And if you look at the code at the very bottom, there's a section called div class equals footer. And that's going to be the area that we're going to be modifying. Regardless of our modifications, you do need to keep the unsubscribe_URL code that's there, as well as your address, as those are what are needed to comply with different spam laws and things like that, depending on what country you're in, obviously, but typically you require the unsubscribe and the address to be there. So what we're going to do right now is we're just going to add a little bit of code to center that. So we're going to start with the center tag and follow that by the close center tag. And if we do the preview, you can see there we have a nicely centered footer. I'm going to add a little bit of text before the unsubscribe link. And you can really add whatever you'd like, as long as you keep that unsubscribe link as well as your address. Just while I type the text out, I did want to mention that the code in order to center and add text, as well as any breaks that appear in this tutorial video, will be available in the blog post, which is linked to in the YouTube show notes below. So hit up that link. You can pop over and get the code so you don't need to copy it verbatim off of the screen right now, and you'll be up and running. In order to add a little bit of space between the text as well as the address, I'm adding break tags, and that's what you see there, the BR. And that's what we have. We have our text, we have our unsubscribe link as well, a little bit of break, and then we have the address. Once you're happy with it, you're just going to go ahead and click save. And so what that's done is created a whole new email template that you can use and apply to future emails with a modified custom footer. I hope that you found the tutorial useful. If you want this code as well as code for 3 other ConvertKit email footers, head on over to the blog post, which is listed in the video show notes, and be sure to download it. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, I'm Erica.